Hi everyone, how are you? Welcome to day 82 of my 100 days English speaking challenge, part 2. I have already made part 1 video after apart from Juma Salah, and it's second video because today I have some time. That's I think okay, I need to make video. And today first video also I made without microphone, without video making stand, and this video also I'm making without microphone and without like stand because there are some issue, that's why. And that's why I don't know my sound quality, it's good or bad, but I think it's good because my phone sound noise cancellation is too much high quality, high frequency. That's why I believe that my sound quality is good, but there is too much noise because I'm walking right now on road. That's why maybe sound quality is not good because there have too much noise. That's it. So today I want to talk with you something in my experience. Like I'm learning English within since 7-8 months, and I have lots of experience about learning English, speaking English. So if anyone want to learn English like speaking purpose, so uh, I just want to suggest uh, some tips. The first tips is, if you want to be a fluent speaker in English, not just English, any language, like you want to be a fluent speaker in Arabic, you want to be a fluent speaker in Hindi, and you want to be a fluent speaker in Urdu, any kind of language. It doesn't matter Chinese, it can be African, it can be like Korean. It doesn't matter any kind of language. If you want to learn and if you want to be a fluent speaker, so you need to just follow some rules regulation. After that, I believe you will be the success very soon and very early this language. I believe that. And what is this tips and what is this rules regulation right now, I'll give you. So the first tips is and first rules is, if you want to be a fluent speaker in like English, so you need to vocabulary in English language, like uh, common vocabulary. It's not a synonym, antonym. You need just common basic vocabulary like 1000 and minimum 500. You can be start 500 vocabulary. You just study, you just memorized, and you can just start. After that, you want to be a like pro, and you want to be a like uh, fluent speaker in better than look like a native. So you need to uh, minimum 1000 and 1500 vocabulary. Otherwise, you not look like a native speaker. So that's it. And it's first tips. You want to be a fluent speaker in English, so you need to memorize minimum 500 vocabulary, and after that must be 1000 or 1500. And uh, second tips is, you need to like follow some grammars, English grammar. Like you want to be a fluent speaker in English, you need to first of all memorize vocabulary. After that, you need to maintain grammar rules. Otherwise, your speaking it's not look like a coherence. It sounds like incoherence. And when you speaking in front of people and it sounds like incoherence, that time it's not good. When you speaking, that time you need like uh, clear speaking and uh, coherent speaking. That's it. And the third tips is, when you speaking in front of people, that time you need without shyness, without afraidness, without hesitation, and without any kind of afraid, you need to speaking in front of people. Like you want to be a fluent speaker in English and you have lots of shyness, you have lots of laziness, you have lots of afraid. So how can you speak in front of people? First of all, you need to remove your shyness, remove your afraidness, and you need to like um, brave. When you're speaking in front of people, you need to look like a brave. That's it. So today I just shared these 3 tips. The first tips is if you want to be a fluent speaker in English, so you need to memorize some vocabulary. It can be 500, it can be 1000, and it can be 1500. So right now, like I'm working in 4000 vocabulary. I'm just trying to memorize, and I'm just trying to using 4000 vocabulary, and there have lots of commanding sentence, there have lots of synonym, there have lots of antonym, and there have lots of idioms, and there have also lots of essential words. It's all around 4000 vocabulary I call it, and I'm just trying to memorize, and I'm just trying to using this vocabulary because I want to be a fluent speaker in English and look like a native. That's why I'm working in my dream. So if you also have like this type of dream, so you need to work your dream. Otherwise you can't be successful, you can't uh, follow your aim, and you can't achieve your goal. So that's it today. This second video is enough. Thank you so very much. Maybe today I'm making another video, day 82, third video. So today that's it. Assalamu alaikum. See you in the part 3 video, day 82.